Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Read Def reviews. The citizens of United States are looking forward for the information related to the legitimacy of this particular site. And in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this particular site and it is an online shopping portal that is offering various diagnostic sets including professional doctor fiber optic ear mirror, otoscope diagnostic set, oriscope ENT and in different colors as well, or you can see they are offering the same diagnostic sets at different prices, or you can say at the same prices, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's talk about the other information and talking about payment. So you can see the mode of payment which is available on the site is PayPal only. Now let's talk about the shipping policy of this website. For that you need to visit the shipping policy section. So guys, this is the shipping policy sections and they have mentioned that the standard shipping duration will take around 5 to 10 business days. However, the processing duration, or you can say the shipping duration, is 7 to 15 business days. Now guys, let's talk about other information, but before going further I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, yes, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this particular site, the domain name was created on 4th of March 2021. It means that this particular site is 11 days old, and according to a study, this domain is registered for 1 year only, guys. So this is the factor, but we can't trust on this website on the basis of the domain age. Now coming to the company's information, let's check out the company's info. And this is the about us page. You can see they have provided limited information along with contact number and email address. But guys, the business ownership information is also private, which is a negative sign. They have not provided the entire info including business establishment year, business owner name and brand connection info. Apart from that, guys, the history of this particular site is not active on the internet, which is one of the biggest drawbacks of this site. And coming to the contact details, let's check out the contact us details of this particular site. So this is the contact us page. They have provided the entire details including email address, contact number and official address. But guys, I would like to inform you that these detail seems to be fake, as Google Maps can't even find this particular given official address, which is a negative sign. And coming to the social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all. So yes, this makes the site quite suspicious as well. Now let's check out the return policy of this particular site. So this is the return policy and they have mentioned 14 days of return policy. So guys, don't forget to comment about your experience and the context of return policy. And when it comes to the Read Def reviews, no reviews are available on the internet and on the official website as well. So there are so many loopholes, guys. However, this Read Def website is not a scam website, but yes, this site is a highly suspicious website, because low trust index score, which is 1%, suspicious contact details, unavailability of company's information, hidden ownership details and low popularity of the site makes the site quite suspicious, guys. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.